I have been researching neuroscience. What is neuroscience? This is a neuron. Neurons are part of neuroscience. Neuroscience is the study of the brain. This is Susanna Herculana Huzel. She is a famous neuroscientist. And I have a monologue on her. So, hello. Do you know what neuroscience is?
Yeah.
The study of the brain.
Do you know how many neurons the brain is made of?
1,000. 1,000,000,000.
Over
A
million.
trillion.
Nope.
2 billion.
There is 86 billion neurons in the brain. That's a lot, right?
Yeah.
Now you probably think the bigger the animal, the bigger the brain, the more neurons, right? Well, not necessarily true. You see, if that were true, we would be the size of whales. We have 86 billion neurons, all because of cooking. Can you believe it? Animals are able to maintain a large body and neurons by eating raw foods to fuel the brain. But raw foods don't give a lot of energy, so we believe our ancestors invented 1.5 million years ago cooking. To cook is to use fire to pre-digest foods outside of your body. Cooked foods are softer, so they're easier to chew and to turn completely into mush in your mouth. So that allows it to be completely digested and absorbed in your gut, which makes them used with much more energy and much less time. So cooking frees time for us to do much more interesting things with our day and our neurons than thinking about food, looking for food, and gobbling down food all day long. So this is how human civilization became to be. Thank you. Oh, and I have a few notes. Some of these quotes were directly from her, and my reference was, or for more information on Susanna Herculana Huzel and neuroscience, go to www.ted.com/talks/Susanna Herculana Huzel. What is so special about the human brain? Yes?
There's a lot of neurons in it, and it makes you smarter.
You asked what's so special about the human brain because it's...
Oh, no, that was a website.
Oh, yeah. Never mind.
Any questions? Okay. Oh, yes?
So the smaller the animal, the more neurons they have?
No. The bigger the animal, the bigger size of the brain they could have. But if they can't fuel the brain enough, then the brain can't grow. But we invented cooking, so we were able to fuel our brain to 86 billion neurons. Yes?
So the more food you eat, the more neurons you get?
No, it just fuels the brain, and that makes more room.
Do you know why Gabby Douglas eats salmon before each meat?
No. It's because it fuels the brain.
It is. It's food for not just your body, but for your brain also, so it sharpens your focus.
Yep. Jersey?
If you want to look at the back of my head, you can, I guess. My giant scar that went from here to here.
Hey, man, I'm done.
All right, good job.